Hello, my gingerbread and jelly bean. Welcome back to another episode of JVLOGS. I know it's been a while. I've been trying to find a formula to do this, but this is the best way. I'm using my phone right now, my front-facing camera right now, to make this video. Now, thanks to all the new subscribers again. I really appreciate you guys. I'm at 473 subscribers, and my viewing is going up, so I really like that. And being absent for a while, that have a whole lot to, I don't know, but yeah, let me get into it. So today's topic I want to talk about, or the question is for today's topic: should a man pay all the bills in a relationship, or should it be 50-50? I'm going to share my view about that and explain why. I believe that a woman should meet a man halfway. I know a lot of women are on my channel and they're going to cuss me out and say, no, Mark, a man is supposed to do that and a man is supposed to do this. And this mosquito start troubling me. No. Even if a woman don't meet a man 50-50, at least meet him 40% of the way or 30% of the way. Why I say this is because things and time has changed. Gone are the days when females didn't have good job or didn't get good pay. Gone are the days when things were much cheaper and people can get really good jobs and stuff like that. Nowadays, people working wherever they can get work, people struggling to get by. They never get a $1 million loan when they're born. Like some people. So we have to take that into consideration. No, a lot of us have student loan, a lot of us went to college, can't get a job. There's different circumstances that we can look at and say, all right, then, this person is really struggling. No, being by yourself, paying rent, buying groceries, all them stuff there, you live by yourself, you're paying your own bills, both male and female, you have to do it because you live by yourself. No, being with somebody helps. Being with somebody mean that, all right, things can be much better. All right, we can split the bill, we can, I can pay for certain things, she can pay for certain things. Gone are the days when a female feel like, all right, once I find a guy, then he's going to pay the bill and I'm going to save all my money, yada, yada, yada. A lot of females still look forward to this and they believe in this so much so that it stresses out men nowadays because people aren't getting a lot of money. And even if they do get a lot of money, the bills still pile up. Especially for people that have kids and they have the kids to take care of. The money does not stretch. Things are going up. Bus fare, everything, food is going up, everything is going up. So you have to take that into consideration as well. That's why I believe that a woman should meet a man halfway, and even if she can't meet him halfway, meet him 30-40% of the way. Help him. Don't just expect the man to be working, come home, paying the bills and still giving you money on the side. Things don't work like that. Gone are the days when man born fool. People not born fool again. If you're with somebody, you have to see it as a partner that you work with, like a best friend. Then you move in and you live with your best friend. You and the best friend split the bill. You and the best friend split the rent. No, split the cable bill. Split the internet bill. Whatever it is, because it's your friend. Right? It's not your partner. And not because the person is your partner mean that you're going to be lazy and stress out that one individual bank account. It's what I'm saying. So I think it's unfair. It is very unfair for a man to take care of all the bills. That's why a lot of men, have other females because the female that they're with stress them out so much that they cling to the person that they can talk to and express how they really feel, And most time they left even their wife and go talk to these side chicks or whatever they call them, the girlfriends on the side and stuff like that. Because the wife think that, all right, that's it for me. I should stop working now because he's going to pay all the bills and stuff like that. Listen, I seriously don't believe in it that way. I believe that, yes, a woman should get money. Yes, a woman should be taken care of. Yes, she should be pampered and cared for. But come on, man, what wanna do for the man them? What wanna do? Wanna buy the man them nothing? When you can't say, all right then, babes, say, I'm not saying all females, but I'm saying some. So come on, I'll pay the bills, for the next 6 months, relax, save a little money and stuff like that. Alright, let's plan a vacation. I'll buy the plane ticket now, whatever. After you females sit down and be lazy and expect the man to do everything, and that is the issue that I'm having. things don't work like that again. Every little dollar right now gone. Bloopsy gone, light bill, water, every little thing. And you have to think about living comfortable. And it's just a whole mess. And I know a lot of people attack me for it, but that is just my belief. That is just my belief that if you work together with somebody, because again, who knows if you're going to be with that person? Who knows if you're going to be with that girlfriend for the rest of your life? And you're paying all of the bills, you're wasting all of your money investing in her or whatever it is, investing in the house, whatever it is, and up come she gonna leave you and go find a next man and gone. Female is the same for you. You be in a relationship with a guy and stuff like that, and ups him leave you. Listen, people, it's a partnership. Work together, save together, be happy together. That's how I see it. Because I won't spend all of my money investing it in a woman and then she ups and leave me for no apparent reason and then I'm broke and sad. While we're together, let's save together. You have your money, me have my money. If we're married, fine, but I'm saving, you're saving. Me now watch your money, don't watch my money, and don't expect me to drain out all of my bank account on you. I just not see it that way. I just not born fool like yesterday's man. Yesterday, man. So, in the comments below, that's where I'm going to leave it. In the comments below, cuss me out if you know want. Me can take it, my thick skin. So cuss me out if you know want, but share your opinion. Tell me how you feel about it. Do you agree with me? If not, explain it down in the comments below. Remember to give the video a thumbs up because people get to see when they give it a thumbs up. So, thanks for watching JVLOGS, guys. I really appreciate all of you. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for all the comments and the feedback. I really appreciate it. I'll keep on giving you guys update in terms of the PC because I don't have my desktop, so I have to be doing this. I don't have any editing software, so this is going up raw like the same way. So just bear with me. JVLOGS going to come back strong. I'm going to do some really nice stuff and get more people involved in the vlog. So again, thanks for watching JVLOGS. More Plunkett. Sunday, guys, I'm out. Ching, ching, ching. Save the money.